Hi everyone, look at this adorable Christmas tree ornament. We'll make this in just 10 minutes. I'm Tuba, and it's super easy. You'll need medium yarn and a 2.5mm hook. Ready? Let's start with a magic ring using sparkle yarn. My yarn is thin, so I'm using it doubled. Chain 3, that's our first double crochet. Now make 11 more for 12 in total. Slip stitch to the top of the beginning chain 3 to finish the round. Chain 1, fasten off, and join your second color. Tap that like button. Join your new color in any space between stitches. Chain 2, that counts as our first DC, and make one more in the same spot. Work 2 double crochets in each space around. You'll have 12 groups of 2 DC. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy patterns. Slip stitch to the top of the beginning chain 2, chain 1, fasten off, and join your third color. Join your third color in any chain, one space between groups. Chain 2, that counts as your first double crochet. Then make 2 more in the same spot for 3 in total. Chain 1. In the next chain 1 space, work 3 double crochets. Repeat around chain 1, 3 double crochets in the next chain 1 space, all the way to the end of the round. Slip stitch to the top of the beginning chain 2. Chain 1, fasten off, and join your fourth color. Drop a comment and let me know how it's going. Join your fourth color in any chain 1 space. Chain 3 counts as first double crochet. Make 1 double crochet in the space between the 2 stitches from round 2, then 1 more in the same chain 1 space, 3 total. Chain 1. In the next chain 1 space, make 1 double crochet, then 1 between the 2 stitches from round 2, and 1 more in the same space, 3 again. Chain 1 and repeat around. Chain 1, slip stitch to the top of the beginning chain 3. Chain 1, fasten off, and join the second color again, or any color you like. Comment below which colors you're using. In round 3, you'll see groups of 3 double crochets. Make 1 double crochet into the second stitch of each group. Chain 3, then slip stitch into the same stitch to make a picot. Make 1 double crochet into the third stitch of that group. Then make 3 single crochets, 1 in each of the next 3 double crochets from below. Repeat around. After your last 3 single crochets, leave a 6-inch tail. Cut yarn, thread through needle, and weave through the first stitch. Chain 10 to 12 for the hanging loop. Slip stitch back to secure. And that completes our Christmas tree ornament. I hope this was helpful. Please subscribe, like, and share. Happy crocheting!